How to set a fingerprint on Infinix Hot 30. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Settings application. Now tap on the search bar and search for fingerprint. Now click on fingerprint under security and privacy and click on fingerprint. Now tap on fingerprint. Now enter your password. Now place your fingerprint on the sensor. Now tap on done. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want us to drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.